In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a project completion date in Excel. Whether you're planning a sprint, scheduling a task, or estimating delivery, the goal is the same. Start with a date, add a number of working days, and end up with a reliable finish date that automatically skips weekends. Begin by deciding exactly where you want that completion date to appear. Click the cell that will hold the result, so it's active and ready for a formula. It helps to have your start date already entered somewhere on the sheet, and your task duration expressed as a whole number of working days. Excel treats dates as real date values, not text, so a proper date entry ensures the calculation works smoothly. With the result cell selected, start typing the formula. Enter an equals sign, then type Workday, followed by an opening parenthesis. Next, point to or click the cell that contains your project's start date, then type a comma. Now point to or click the cell that contains the number of days you want to add, then type the closing parenthesis. It should look like this conceptually: equals Workday, open parenthesis, start date, comma, days, close parenthesis. The Workday function is designed for project timelines. It adds working days and automatically skips Saturdays and Sundays. There's also an optional argument for holidays if you maintain a holiday list. But for a straightforward schedule, those first two inputs are all you need. When the formula is complete, press Enter. Excel calculates the finish date and displays it in the cell you selected. If your duration is 5 working days and your start date is a Monday, for example, the result will land on the following Monday because the weekend is bypassed. If the output looks like a number instead of a date, that's just Excel's underlying date serial showing based on the cell's current format. The calculation is still correct, and in most workbooks, Excel will automatically display it as a date. A quick recap to anchor the process. Choose the cell where the result will live, enter the Workday formula by referencing your start date and your working day duration, and then press Enter to let Excel compute the completion date for you. This simple approach keeps your schedule accurate without any manual weekend counting, and it updates instantly whenever your start date or duration changes.